Yeah, we are here once again at Kasinthula Agricultural Research Station, which is in Chikwawa district in southern Malawi. We have come visiting our experiment together with the collaborator here, Mrs. Chimimba, who is a lecturer in food science at the Malawi Polytechnic. Madam, we are happy and excited to have you here.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, so the purpose of coming is to appraise the field, but also to orient Madam Chimimba on what is happening, particularly on this field here in Kasinthula Agricultural Research Station. As we've been saying, we have planted this experiment, which has been laid in a randomized complete block design with 3 replicates, where we are assessing how best we can improve the productivity of sorghum in Malawi. We have, 5 treatments. The first treatment is where we've planted, sorghum alone. That has not been intercropped with anything but treated conventionally with fertilizer. And we have another plot where we've just planted pigeon pea only. Another plot where we've just planted cowpea only. And then we have 2 plots which have been planted with an intercrop of pigeon pea and cowpea. The difference for those plots, those 2 plots in particular, is that at harvest time, the legume biomass in one treatment plot is not going to be plowed back into the soil, whilst in the other treatment, the biomass for the 2 legumes is going to be plowed back into the soil. Just to mention that where pigeon pea and cowpea has been planted as monocultures, the biomass, all of it, is going to be plowed back into the soil at harvest. I would like to invite Madam Chimimba to also give us her own assessment of what is happening on this field.
Yeah, thank you very much, Dr. Piri.
You're welcome.
As we've been moving from Vumbo Research Station, now we are at Kasinthula. It's really exciting, as I always say, to see what's happening on the ground. Particularly, this field in Kasinthula is encouraging because of the way we found the crop. All the 3 crops that have been mentioned, the cowpea, the pigeon peas, and of course the sorghum, are doing fine. The crop health is extremely well, and also the plant vigor is fine. The only problems that we have noted and that have been communicated also on the ground are the issues of termites in the plots where we've planted the pigeon peas. However, that's something that we've already found ways of addressing, and we intend to rapidly address the problem because this field in Kasinthula is very promising, and we look forward to the time when this field is going to be harvested, because as he said, this project doesn't end here. We still have got quite a long way to go in as far as harvesting is concerned, and also the reincorporation of the biomass in the intercrop plots back into the field. And another thing that I found to be exciting in these plots that we have at Kasinthula is the fact that some of the cowpeas have already started producing nuts, which is really exciting and it's promising at the very same time. And also coming here at Kasinthula, it gives you an idea of how important this research is, because this is not the experience we had at Vumbwe. At Vumbwe, the crops seem to be struggling, and it will be interesting at the end